line. They take the green flag. Charlie jumps out, down into 1 and 2. Charlie as he's going to eliminate that 19. Set is 1985 Chevy Corvette. They take the green. Nose to nose, right off into turn number 1, off of 2, on the outside. Down into 3 and 4, he has the advantage coming to the stripe. That is actually going to be Spedinsky there with the win. They come to the stripe, waiting for that green light. And they are on. Down into 1 and 2, not so fast. Here comes Ferocious on the outside. He's going to lose it. Coming to the stripe. Ferocious, Coventry, Rhode Island, in the Chevy Camaro C28 1984. The advantage going into 1 on the outside is going to be Oliveira. They are nose to nose, off of 2, down the back stretch. Give the advantage to from Lincoln, Rhode Island. They're set. They're at the stripe. They're off. Into 1 and 2. Nose to nose. They go battling into the corner. Off of 2. Down the back stretch. Into 3 and 4. Smoke coming from both of them. Walter Wickenbach in that 1988 Pontiac Trans Am is going to move on. Waiting on that green light. They're off. Give the advantage to the Subaru. Stevens, Melrose, Massazone. He jumps out. He is going to be gone down the back stretch. As into 3 and 4. Stevens off of 4, coming to the checkered flag. Jonathan Stevens, Melrose, Massazone, Subaru Forester there in 2005. He will move on. There. They're off. Give the advantage right out of the gate. Caitlin Mello from Oxbridge, down the back stretch. She is going to This is going to be Curtis closing. Not enough time, off of 4. That Eagle Talon, a Volkswagen Passat 2006, Josh Oliveira, they take the green. Oliveira down into 1 and 2. He is going to check out on that Mitsubishi Eclipse. Not going to be close. Off of 2, down the back stretch. Josh Oliveira into 3 and 4. He is gone. Checkered flag in the air at the stripe. Josh Oliveira is going to move on. Against Scott Stevens from Fall River in his Pontiac Trans Am, a 1999. They're at the stripe. They're ready to go. Green is out. Jen Bucher going to check out in her Subaru. Off of 2. Not so fast. It stays. Jen Bucher off of 4. As Scott Stevens loses it in 4. Jen Bucher moves on. Ready to go. Green is out. On the outside, give the advantage to Fielding going into 1 and 2. Off of 2, John Fielding from Westport. Loses it just a bit. John Fielding is going to move on. Green light. There it is. Give the advantage down into 1 and 2 to Liam in the Camaro. He checks out. Off of 2. Down the back. 3 and 4. Rehoboth passes home. 21 on that passenger side door. Liam Monaghan moves on. They get the green. Into turn number 1, give the advantage to Jackson Decker. Checker on the outside. Not so fast. Here comes Adam down on the inside. He is going to take the advantage. Advantage coming on over to the checkered flag to Adam Matarosian. Matarosian will take the checkered there, and that brings up our final two competitors of round number one. Camaro is going to take the outside. Green is out. They are off. Give the advantage to the Audi going into 1 and 2. Brandon Gerard, West Wareham, Mass's own. He checks out going down the backstretch. 3 and 4. Looking for that checkered flag. Checker in the air. Brandon Gerard is going to move on. And we will start round number 2. And they're off. Going to try to take the advantage off of 2, give the advantage. 4, not so fast. Here comes Swansky to the inside. With the down to 1 and 2 over Jeff Daniels. He's going to try to check out of 2, down the back stretch. 4, Daniels is going to spin in 3. So it's going to be Oliveira and Stevens into 1 and 2. Give the advantage to the Subaru. That is John Stevens. Not so fast. Here comes Oliveira. Stevens with the advantage. Oliveira, not enough time. Checkered flag in the air. Moving on is going to be John Stevens. 1998. They are set to go. And they're off. Into 1 and 2. It's nose to nose. This is a battle down the back stretch. There's another one here. Into 3 and 4. Give the advantage to Fielding. Off of 4. He takes it. John Fielding moving on. Waiting for the green. And they're off. Euchre takes the early advantage down into 1 and 2. Doesn't look like Matarosian has anything. Euchre into 3 advantage. It's going to be Euchre coming to the checkered flag and moving on. They're off. The inside lane, that is Monaghan. He's going to take the jump out front over the Audi of Gerard. Down the backstretch. Monahan. Off the floor. Liam Monahan with the win there. They take the green. On the outside, DeRosia. He's going to take the advantage into 1 and 2. Off of 2. It's going to be a battle here. DeRosia pulls it out. From Lincoln from on. Jen has the inside. Liam has the outside. Here they go. Give the advantage into 1 and 2. Liam Monahan, he's going to jump off down the back stretch. And into 3 and 4.
Now you better move your transmission!
Something in January. Subaru just, you want to cooperate there. Liam Monahan moving on. 1 lap here. Charlie Giordano, Matt DeRosia. Charlie Giordano on the outside. It's neck and neck off of 2 down the back stretch. Over Charlie Giordano, Jen Euchre. Give the advantage to Charlie on the outside. going to set up. The battle is going to be between Liam Monahan and Matt DeRosia. They are off. On the outside, it's DeRosia. He's got the advantage.